Sabonzy Academy. In today's video, we will be solving the question 8 of the 2017 WASSCE Core Math theory questions. So question 8a. In the diagram above, angle RQS is equal to 40 degrees. Line RT is equal to line PT. And angle RMS is equal to Y. Find the value of Y. So moving on to the solution, 8a. And you are being asked to find Y. Okay, so we know that angles on a straight line is equal to 180. I mean, sum of the angles on a straight line is equal to 180. So we can say that angle RTS, which is this part, plus angle RTP, which is this, should be equal to 180 because this is a straight line. But we know that angle RTS is equal to angle RQS. So this angle RTS, this, should be equal to RQS, this, alternating angles. We can say that 40 plus angle RTP is equal to 180 degrees. So our angle RTP will be equal to 180 minus 40. So angle RTP is equal to 140 degrees. All right. Now taking this triangle, so taking triangle PRT, so taking this whole thing, we have this. PRT. We know this whole place is 140. And we know this and this are parallel. We know that the base angle for an isosceles triangle are equal. So triangle PRT, which is an isosceles triangle, is an isosceles triangle. Hence, angle PRT should be equal to angle RPT, which is equal to A. And we know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180. So then we can say that A plus 140. This A. So A plus 140 should be equal to 180. So we have 2A plus 140 is equal to 180. So we have 2A is equal to 180 minus 140. 2A then becomes 40. Now dividing both sides by 2 and here by 2, our A becomes 20 degrees. So therefore, angle PRT is equal to 20 degrees and angle RPT is also equal to 20 degrees. All right. And we are being asked to find Y. So taking triangle QRY, taking triangle QR, we have this. You have here to be 20 degrees, here to be 40 degrees. And this would be our y. Since the sum of two interior angles of a triangle is equal to the exterior angle, is equal to the exterior angle, then we can say that y, which is the exterior angle, should be equal to 40 plus 20. So 40 degree plus 20 degree. So our y will be 60 degrees. All right, so this brings us to the end of question 8a. So moving on to question 8b. XY is a tangent to a circle, LMN, at the point M. XLN is a straight line. Angle NXM is equal to 34 degrees. And angle NMY is equal to 65 degrees. I illustrates the information on a diagram. So 8b, I. XY is a tangent to a circle LMN at the point M. Now our tangent touches the circle at the point M. So this place becomes our M. Now it says XLN is a straight line. This is our X and this is our Y. And we are told that XLN is a straight line. So drawing a straight line from X, we have L and we have N. We are also told that the angle NXM is 34 degrees. So NXM is 34. And NMY is 65. So NMY. So there should be a line here. It's 65. So this is 65. So we can join this to get regular shapes. Yeah. So the I part says illustrates the information on a diagram. So this will be our I. This will be our diagram. Now moving on to II. It says find the value of A, angle MLX. So you are finding the angle of, find angle MLX. So we can say that angle MLN is equal to angle NMY. So MLN is equal to NMY. So this is MLN, this angle A is equal to NMY, this. And angle NMY is 65 degrees. So our angle MLN will be equal to 65 degrees also. Now we know that angles on a straight line adds up to 180. So angle MLN plus, say, B should be equal to 180. Since angles on a straight line add up to 180, then angle MLN plus angle MLX, which is also B. MLX is the same as B. So plus B should be equal to 180. So angle MLN is 65. So we have 65 plus B is equal to 180. Our B should be equal to 115 degrees. So then we can say that angle MLX, which is the whole of this, is equal to 115 degrees. But then we are being asked to find angle MLX. So from our solution, therefore, angle MLX is equal to 115 degrees. Now moving on to the B part. It says find angle LNM. So find angle LNM. So angle LNM is this. Let's name it C. MLX, this, plus angle LXM, this, plus angle LMX, this, should be equal to 180. So angle MLX plus angle LXM plus angle XML should be equal to 180. And angle MLX is 115 plus angle LXM is 34 degrees. But we are being asked to find angle LNM. Angle NXM plus angle XNM plus angle MNL or plus angle LNM should be equal to 180. Now from our diagram, we know that angle XML or NXM is 34. And we know that angle XMN is equal to 115. So plus angle LNM should be 180. So angle LNM is equal to 180 minus 34 plus 115. So angle LNM then becomes 31 degrees. So that brings us to the end of question 8. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.